Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put bubbles in your hair. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need your favorite shampoo, some water, and a whisk or a small frother. Make sure your hair is damp, not dripping wet, as this helps the bubbles adhere better. Also, it's a good idea to have a towel handy to protect your eyes and face from any stray suds. This preparation ensures a smooth and fun experience. Now, let's create our bubble solution. In a bowl, mix 1 part of your chosen shampoo with 2 parts of water. For example, if you use 1 tablespoon of shampoo, add 2 tablespoons of water. Then, use your whisk or frother to vigorously mix the solution. You want to create a thick, stable foam, aiming for a consistency similar to that of shaving cream. This rich foam is key to achieving beautiful, lasting bubbles. With your perfect foam ready, it's time for application. Gently scoop the thick foam and begin applying it to your hair, working in small sections. Ensure you cover your hair from the roots all the way to the ends, distributing the bubbles evenly. Remember to be gentle, avoid rubbing too vigorously, as this can break down the delicate bubble structure. The goal is to coat your hair with a beautiful, bubbly layer. Once your hair is covered in delightful bubbles, you can let them sit for a few minutes to achieve your desired look. When you are ready, it's time to rinse. Use cool water and rinse your hair thoroughly until all the suds are completely gone and the water runs clear. Finally, apply a good conditioner to keep your hair soft, smooth, and manageable after its bubbly adventure. Enjoy your unique style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.